there is any compromise on the quality of the work.
Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma yesterday said that the state is projected to attract substantial private investment of 8,000 crore rupees. He said that the high investment will contribute in realizing the ambitious target of a $10 billion US economy. The investment in Meghalaya is an outcome of the new industrial policy that has created an ecosystem for ease of doing business, he said while addressing a workshop on Human Development Leadership Program at Tura. The program was attended by DCs, BDOs and other district and block level officers from the 5 districts of Garo Hills.
We should spend money in such a manner that we are able to actually give benefit and economic livelihood, economic opportunities and economic benefits to the people of our state. So we decided that when we're going to go for 10 billion, what do people get? So I sat with my team and I told them, look, water has to be one, housing has to be one, power has to be one, road connectivity has to be one, and IT connectivity has to be number one, apart from other social aspects.
East Khasi Hills Police registered a case